is Ika. Today I learned some new vocabulary and how to express my ideas in simple English. I'm still learning, but today listen helped me understand the topic better. I can use this lesson in my daily life by practicing English little by little. For example, speaking, writing short sentences, or listening to English videos. This is also helpful for my studies. The difficult part for me was speaking smoothly and choosing the right word. Sometimes I still need time to think and I'm not very confident when speaking. For the next lesson, I will try to practice more and be more confident when speaking English. Thank you for watching.